Oh, we're going to keep doing this.
All right, time now for Matt Wintz and our weather word, and I think this will be the easiest weather word in the history of weather words.
You said that
Really?
yesterday,
Said
Joe.
that
I did,
You did say that yesterday.
I did,
Yeah.
and I wanted to make today's even easier. Do you know the 3 rules of real estate? Talking about the rental price.
Location.
Right. That's it?
Location.
Oh, that's easy.
That's your weather word. And if you can't fit that into a forecast,
You know
I'm
what
not a
that is.
meteorologist.
you need to go back to weather making school.
I'm not a meteorologist.
Ad-lib school. Okay, all
You
right.
said
we'll do.
potent.
Yeah, I think some storms tomorrow could be potent.
Really?
They're going
Wow.
to pack a punch. Yeah, it's going to be one of those days, weather-aware, we know that. We've had events like this before where nothing happens, and I can tell you the reason why that didn't happen. Tomorrow, it's going to be hard to make it not happen in terms of strong to severe storms. So we'll take you through it. We'll let you decide. Just kidding. We'll give you the forecast. We'll get location into the forecast as well. All right, live look. Traffic right now, 71 at 3:03. Flowing nicely. Just so nice to see foliage on trees. I know we're midsummer right now, but it just, when it goes bare, I just love when there's leaves on the trees. I know it's a weird thing to say. 79 degrees right now. It is comfortable outside. Dew point still in the 50s. That wind continues out of the north-northwest. It remains fairly breezy today. Pretty comfortable day, though, all things considered. We're in the 80s outside. Area-wide, we've got dew points area-wide also in the 50s, so that comfortable air remains around. But that will change tonight. Humidity is going to creep up a little bit tonight, and then it's going to skyrocket tomorrow. We're going back to the tropical category. Reason why that frontal boundary I showed you during the tease off towards the north is going to pull this rich humidity into our area tomorrow, and that will be one of the ingredients that we need to spark some storms. So where's our front right now? Well, here it is. You can see that area of low pressure. I mean, it's spinning pretty well right now. As this continues to advance down to the southeast tonight, we're expecting severe weather in portions of Minnesota. Already seeing that. You can see the storms breaking out in advance of that. Lots of severe thunderstorm warnings right there. You also can see on the water vapor that spin in the atmosphere. This spin will hold together. It'll move across areas of southern Ontario tomorrow. We'll be on the southern side of that, so we'll pop some thunderstorms during the mainly afternoon hours tomorrow, and that will head into the evening, and some of those could be on the strong side. Not much change. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. I don't like to get tied to this. Storm Prediction Center puts out their outlook for, are we a 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5? Bottom line, we've got a good chance for severe weather tomorrow, all right? And that includes everybody. A lot of people say, well, what about us towards the lakeshore, or us down Dover, New Philly? This is for everybody tomorrow. And again, this is tomorrow afternoon and evening. So National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast, let's take you through it. We'll step through the latest model guidance. Again, model guidance is a help. It tells us what it thinks is going to happen. We decide whether that's true or not. Tomorrow morning, no problems whatsoever. Depends on your location in the afternoon. You may just try to wing it in there real fast so you wouldn't notice the ding-ding. But nice job on that in the control room. Notice as you go into the afternoon hours, we're starting to pop some showers. I don't know if I agree with this. I think we'll stay mainly dry through noon. Look at temperatures. It's hot tomorrow, and it's also going to be humid tomorrow. And we're also going to be bringing in a strong south wind. So you'll know something's amiss tomorrow midday, that, we've got some energy in the atmosphere. So here we go as we get an early afternoon. Models kicking off storms primarily in our northern counties and west of us as we get into the 2 and 3 o'clock time frame. They'll likely go strong to severe quickly. Damaging winds, hail going to be the primary threat. And watch how this evolves through your evening rush hour. Heavy rains expected with these, where they end up going. And then everything kind of bubbles its way down to the south. So we'll have severe weather likely in our northern counties first. And then that threat would linger as it goes down to the south throughout the evening hours. And then it's all out of here. Look at this. 9 o'clock, we're clear. And we've got refreshing air behind the front. We're going to clear things out as we go on into your Friday. Not too bad. So severe threats tomorrow will get out of the way. 3 to 9 o'clock, they'll be moving in from the northwest. Damaging winds, large hail, main threats, flooding as well. There's going to be some heavy rainfall. Cannot rule out tornadoes tomorrow. A little bit of shear in the atmosphere as well. So what could ruin this event if you don't like severe weather? Well, we're going to have some storms on radar off towards the northwest tomorrow morning. So we could have some cloud cover off of that. But the other thing is this large complex of storms that develops down towards Kentucky, that could rob us of some Gulf of Mexico moisture. So we'll have to watch those two factors tomorrow. But beyond that, boy, do we get comfortable around here for the weekend. This is setting the stage for a gorgeous weekend. Union Hill Mortgage 7-day. Look at that, 78 and sunshine on Saturday, 83 on Sunday. Low humidity this weekend. Storm chances return after that. So rough day to get through tomorrow, but we're on it here in the 3 Weather Center.
Glad to have you here, Matt. Thank you so much.